So today we're putting together some cabinetry for the shop actually. We're doing a unit that's gonna go in continuation of the edge bender, make it a little bit easier to have the long pieces come out and slide onto a table. At the same time, we wanna have a little bit of storage to put all the extra edge bending that we're gonna be accumulating. We're building a miter saw stand unit that we could have a fixed miter saw that we're gonna be using in the shop. Again, with a lot of storage and some dust extraction system in the back and room for garbage bins, so that whatever is cut, leftovers on the miter saw, they stay within that space. We don't have to have a separate bin. And then finally, we're cutting the rack that I have designed for the clamps. So the time has come to test that, see if it works or not. It's just shop management, basically.
I'm sending employment. We have 2 new employees, one starting Monday in Montreal, and the other one I have to send that we just interviewed today for Austin, for our location here. I believe he will be starting the following Monday, just to give us, because we just interviewed him today, so it would be too short notice to integrate starting Monday. So I am being a very good ADHDer. I'm doing offers, I'm doing employment letters, I'm doing contractor contracts. The only thing I'm not doing is having more caffeine, which I should maybe do.